Hello everyone, welcome back onto this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a call in Google Chat application on your iPhone. So the first thing we need to do now is find the Google Chat application. If you cannot find the Google Chat application on your home screen, just need to slide your screen into the left side until you find the app library, and then type on the search button a Google Chat, or you can also do a small thing with the chat, and whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. So the symbol of the Google Chat application will be like this, and after that you just need to go click it to open it. And now you just need to wait until you are brought into the page, and now you just need to decide whom do you want to call. So for example, I would like to call my friends here. And now the things that you need to do is open the chat, and after that you need to take a look on this upper right corner right here, and you can see that there is a small camera symbols over here, and then you just need to instantly click it, and there will be appear two options. The first option is chat audio, and the second one is chat video. Since you want to make a call, you just need to simply click this chat audio, and the Google Chat will be generated for you. So that's the way how to make a call on a Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video tutorial. Bye bye.